Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm looking at some of my new sea animals and lots of favourites. Megalodon, with its sharp long teeth, it was probably able to bite through cartilage and bone, so it concentrated on making its prey unable to swim away. After the last ice age, the seas cooled considerably. This made life hard for the megalodon as it needed warm water to survive. At the same time, the marine animals that survived the ice age were mostly fast swimmers that the megalodon struggled to catch. Megalodon's teeth were the size of a human hand. Shrimp, they are slender with long muscular abdomens. They look somewhat like small lobsters, but not at all like crabs. Their lower abdomen support pleopods for swimming. Hermit crab, they have a curled tail with a hook that enables their body to fit inside their burrowed shells. Coelacanth, it has an intracranial joint, a hinge in its skull that allows it to open its mouth extremely wide to consume large prey. Lobster, they have the ability to regenerate some of their body parts, for example the claws, walking legs and antennae. Giant squid, they have the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, measuring 25 centimeters in diameter. These massive organs allow them to detect objects in the lightless depths where most other animals would see nothing. Let me know what your favourite sea animal is. Anglerfish, the females have a piece of dorsal spine that protrudes above their mouths like a fishing rod tipped with a lure of luminous flesh to attract prey close enough to be snatched. It is only the females that have this distinctive feature. Sit back and relax and watch the sea animals swimming by. Whale shark, they are a highly migratory pelagic species distributed throughout the world's tropical seas. These giant zooplanktivores are usually found in coastal zones with high food productivity. Whale sharks are solitary and are strong but slow swimmers. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Hermit crab, they have adapted to occupy empty scavenged mollusk shells to protect their fragile exoskeletons. Thresher shark, these clever sharks use their unique long tails to stun and catch prey. Fish have no chance if a thresher shark enters its path. Pufferfish, they can inflate into a ball shape to evade predators. They fill their elastic stomachs with huge amounts of water and sometimes air. Some dangerous sea animals to look out for are the pufferfish that you've just seen, the venomous lionfish. Sea snakes, a single bite can be fatal. Tiger shark and great white shark, they can tear out hunks of flesh with their specially designed teeth. Box jellyfish, they have tiny darts that are loaded with poison. Once stung by them, humans and animals can experience cardiac arrest, paralysis or even death. Octopus, the siphon is used both for respiration and for locomotion by expelling a jet of water. They have a complex nervous system and excellent sight, and are among the most intelligent and behaviourally diverse of all invertebrates. Leatherback sea turtle. They are the largest turtle in the world. They have tough, rubbery skin instead of a shell. They have existed like this since the age of the dinosaurs. Piranha. They have a single row of sharp teeth in both jaws. The teeth are tightly packed and interlocking. Lobster. Their two potent claws allow these predators to eat a lot of different prey, such as small fish, sea urchins, crabs, and sea stars. When lobsters lose a claw, a new one grows up with the next molt. Blue whale. They reproduce via sexual meiosis. The male and female each produce haploid gametes. Male gametes are sperm and the female gametes are eggs. A single sperm and egg fertilize to form a diploid zygote. They fertilize internally, meaning sperm is deposited inside the female. This usually happens after a very elaborate mating ritual. The male and female spend time rolling around each other, then they take a deep dive into the ocean and they suddenly fly upwards and cross the surface. And as they do, the male deposits the sperm inside the female using his clasper. A clasper is the same as a penis. Females have a long vulva with two nipples on each side to nourish newborns. Hammerhead shark. Their cephalofoil has many functions, including sensory reception, maneuvering, and prey manipulation. The cephalofoil gives the shark superior binocular vision and depth perception. They are found worldwide in warmer waters along coastlines and continental shelves. Bonnethead shark is a type of hammerhead shark with a smooth rounded head. It has small sharp teeth in the front of the mouth for grabbing small fish and flat broad molars in the back for crushing crustaceans and mollusks. Pilot whale. They are notorious for stranding themselves on beaches, but the reason behind this is not fully understood. They have an anchor-shaped patch under the chin. Their long sickle-shaped flippers and tail stalks are flattened from side to side. Blue crab. Males are bright blue in colour with white spots and characteristically long chelipeds. Blue spotted ray. These rays like to bury themselves just underneath the sand where they will feed on various invertebrates. Reef squid. Some species are able to propel themselves out of the water. They expel the water in their mantle as a type of propulsion to get airborne. Like other cephalopods, it has a strong beak which it uses to cut the prey into parts so that the raspy tongue or radula can be used to further process the food. It consumes small fish, other mollusks and crustaceans. They are capable of rapid changes in skin colour and pattern for camouflage and courtship rituals. Bowhead whale. They have a thick layer of blubber that protects them from the freezing cold Arctic waters. Main predators of bowhead whales are killer whales. They can stay 40 minutes under the water without returning to the surface to breathe. Beluga. There is no dorsal fin, which allows it to swim under ice with ease. It possesses a distinctive protuberance at the front of its head, which houses an echolocation organ. Plesiosuchus had a different shaped skull with a longer, shallower snout. It specialized in eating other marine reptiles. They roamed the seas 150 million years ago. Their skull could grow to 1.2 meters. Mako shark are a large, fast-moving oceanic shark with a deep blue back and white underparts. There are two living species, the short fin and the long fin mako shark. Dunkelosteius is an extinct genus of large armoured jawed fishes that lived during the late Devonian period. It could quickly open and close its jaw like modern-day suction feeders and had a bite force of 1,200 pounds per square inch. It was one of the largest placoderms to have ever existed. Its two-part bony armoured exterior made it a relatively slow but powerful swimmer. Instead of teeth, Dunkelosteius possessed two pairs of sharp bony plates which formed a beak-like structure. Sperm whale. They are the world's largest toothed whale, and unlike the baleen whale, they are active predators, eating large squid, bony fish, and sharks. Their teeth are conical shaped for catching prey. They have a large brain and the most powerful sonar, which they use to help find prey in the dark, deep seas. Pygmy sperm whale are small, robust whales with a distinctive underslung jaw. Not unlike sharks, they have the shortest rostrum amongst cetaceans. Mosasaurus had a fully aquatic lifestyle. It had a streamlined body, an elongated tail ending with a downturn supporting a two-lobed fin and two pairs of flippers. It looked much like a sea-going lizard. Megalodon is a prehistoric monster shark that first appeared about 20 million years ago. It is the largest prehistoric shark to have ever existed and one of the most powerful predators on Earth. Its teeth grow up to 16 centimeters long, and it would have fed on large prehistoric whales. As teeth are lost, broken, or worn down, they are replaced by new teeth. Great white shark is an epipelagic fish, found where there is an abundance of seals, sea lions, cetaceans, sharks, and fish. Bull shark. It is known for its aggressive nature and presence in warm, shallow, brackish, and freshwater systems, including estuaries and rivers. They thrive in both salt and fresh water and can travel far up rivers. Humpback whale. Humpbacks feed in polar waters and migrate to tropical or subtropical waters to breed and give birth, fasting and living off their fat reserves. The female has a hemispherical lobe about 15 centimeters in diameter in her genital region. This visually distinguishes males and females. The male's penis usually remains hidden in the genital slit. Kronosaurus is an extinct genus of short-necked pliosaur. Its teeth grew between 7 and 30 centimeters. The combination of large size, conical shape and lack of cutting edge allows for easy identification of its teeth. Kemp's Ridley hatchling. They reach maturity between 7 and 15 years of age. Anglerfish. They are bony fish, named for their characteristic mode of predation in which a modified luminescent fin acts as a lure for other fish. Coelacanths. They are nocturnal piscivores that feed mainly on benthic smaller fish and various cephalopods. They are passive drift feeders. Angel shark. Their unique features are the rounded tip of the nose, the 7 gills instead of 5, and only 1 dorsal fin. Anomalocaris. They are extinct. They are distantly related to modern-day arthropods, including crabs and lobsters. Cuprocerus was a genus of nautiloid cephalopod from the Permian period that resembled a spiny ammonite. Cretoxyrhina was one of the largest sharks and a formidable predator in the late Cretaceous seas. Crocodile. They eat mainly fish, turtles, birds, and other small animals. They capture water animals in their jaws with a sideways motion. They seize land animals by the feet and drag them towards the water. After crocodiles mate, the female lays eggs. Some types can lay up to more than 100 eggs. Green sea turtle. They are one of the world's largest species of turtle, weighing between 65 and 130 kilograms. Hermit crab. Hatchlings are born in the water and remain there for a time. They molt up to 6 times to reach full crab form. Humpback calf. Ichthyosaurus. They use their fins for swimming. They lived in the sea and were incapable of returning to land. Their tails had a large crescent-shaped fin. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback shell is leathery. It feels almost rubbery. Liopleurodon was a large species of pliosaur. It was an apex predator in the Upper Jurassic seas around 160 to 155 million years ago. It grew to about 6.5 meters and it was a relative of Pliosaurus and Kronosaurus. Lobster. They have 2 big claws and 8 walking legs. Megalodon ruled the seas from about 17 million years ago up to almost 3 million years ago. This colossal predator reached lengths of up to 20 meters. The only marine animal ever to outweigh the massive megalodon is the blue whale, which weighs up to 200 tons, which would be just more than double the size of megalodon. Its jaws could open wide enough to swallow 2 adults standing side by side. Giant squid. Along with their cousin the colossal squid, they have beach ball-sized eyes. Their eyes are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and are about 10 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. Their big eyes help them to spy objects in the dark depths where most of them live. Blue-ringed octopus. They are usually nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt crustaceans and small fish. The brightly coloured rings are a warning to would-be predators. Blue sea dragon swallows air bubbles that allow it to float on the ocean surface upside down. So the interesting blue and white colour is actually the bottom side of the blue dragon. Seahorse. They come in many colours, varying from grey, orange, brown, yellow, red and black. Shrimp. They will eat algae, dead and living plants, worms, fish, snails and other dead shrimp. Cuttlefish. Coelasuchus. Basilosaurus. Basilisk. Octopus baby. Sea star. Kronosaurus. Mosasaurus. Axolotl. Emperor penguin and chick. Horseshoe crab. Nautilus. Nautilus. Ammonite pleuroceras. Ammonite brevitoceras. Orthoceras. Belemnite. Trilobite. Zephactinus. Helicoprion. Sea elephant. Manatee. Sea lion. Largemouth bass. Salmon. Piranha. Sailfish. Red-eared slider turtle. Goblin sharks. Narwhal. Weedy sea dragon. Axolotl. These Mexican salamanders are amphibians that spend their whole life underwater. They are able to regenerate lost body parts. Piranha. Their strong jaws hold sharp triangular teeth that meet in a scissor-like bite. Hawksbill turtle. They have a pointed beak which resembles those of birds. Females return to the same nesting grounds where they were born to lay their eggs. Right whale. They are baleen whales with bow-shaped lower jaw and a head that is up to 1/4 of the body length. They measure up to 18 meters in length. Sperm whale. They have the largest brain of any living animal. The longest recorded dive for a sperm whale was in excess of 2 hours. Sawfish. They prefer shallow coastal waters and even swim in freshwater river systems. Sawfish eat fish and crustaceans. The saw is key to catching and killing prey, in addition to its use as a weapon or digging tool. The saw, or the rostrum, has small pores that can detect electric fields produced by prey. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read all your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.